That's because Smita, so much of online sharing, no, so it must be collapsing.
The caliber actually with the, I was trying to open so many books, na, so it got stuck over there.
Yeah,
It was not able to handle, it was not at all able to handle
absolutely. Very true. And it's on hands-on, no? So it makes a difference. So multiple windows opened at the same time and demonstrating.
Yes. So I was telling about the newspaper activity. So I told you that you can choose the template. I think I got stuck over here when I was telling about newspaper thing.
Yeah.
So you can choose the newspaper template and click on the image part or the text part. Suppose I want to change the heading of this particular newspaper. So unlock this one, right click on unlock, and then again click on this one. You can edit the text. Now I want to give the newspaper as a ABC News Mail, something like this. So you can choose this one and click on done. So that is how you are going to edit all the contents, put your audio, put your video, and make your digital books very interesting, colorful, and teach your children also to create the digital portfolios. I think all the aspects of this particular platform I have covered. You can explore more on this site, and you can publish your books and help your children to create their own digital portfolios. So in the meantime, I'm going to share the link for the feedback form as well as the certificate. Just give me some time, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me that also.
Smita, while you were away, there were a lot of feedbacks in the chat box. Everybody was very appreciative that they could learn a new tool, and that you were very calm and composed, and you knew the platform thoroughly. So thank you so much for this wonderful tool. I'm sure that this would be a great resource for your portfolios. Teachers would be able to use this quite effectively, along with, they can combine this and Google Sites together to have a, proper e-portfolio where teachers can also maintain. So I think it's a wonderful tool. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivi ma'am, for your wonderful words, and all the teachers, those who patiently stood with me, whether even though I had technical issues, I do not know, because of too much of website opening, it was hanging. So thank you, all of you. Thank you, Jayanti ma'am. You have joined from Qatar and giving such. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share the screen? Can I share the screen with you, ma'am? 1 second.
Just a minute. Yes, ma'am. I have activated the share screen option. You can try.
Okay, ma'am. I just made within a few seconds. Like, I just want, this is from me to you.
Thank you so much, Mala ma'am. Thank you so much. You have given me a beautiful rose and the information and everything. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good one.
Good one. Immediately you have responded to whatever I have taught. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. But one thing is, I'm not able to drag the rose till the end. Like, it is getting stuck up till here. So actually, what should I do?
Because the area of that particular image is restricted. So you have to increase that area and then you have to try it out, ma'am. Because I think upper portion, there is another,
This is basically a print screen taken and saved and installed, I presume.
And no, she's talking about the rose picture that she has taken.
No, I know the rose, and I was just wondering, on the spur of the moment, how come she inserted your thing? So it's a print screen.
I was
wondering, Smita, I must add.
Yes,
sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Come again.
No,
you please carry on.
No, I was thinking that how I'm visible in two places. One, I'm talking, the other one is a still image. I also could not get it that it was a still image.
No, I thought so. It must be, she must have on the spur of the moment. And Smita, you were talking about patience and all. Believe me, when you are sharing such a tool and wonderful sharing, I think, yes, one will have all the patience. It will all come to the forefront.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We should have patience.
The more you explore, honestly, Smita, the more you explore, the more there is, you find much more to explore.
Yes,
more mysteries to unravel.
Yes. This is just a starting.
Yes, very true.
Yes.
And very often we don't get to know many of the tools. It's only when you, as computer teachers, I presume you have an edge over there.
Yeah. And we
Yeah.
actually keep on Googling, and we are keep on searching for information which is easy to use, because many things are there in the internet. It is a vast ocean actually.
Yes.
From there to pick up the
Yes.
easiest one. That is the trick and tool, the trick that
Yes.
we should choose, because every person is not comfortable using the complicated tools which are there. So I normally
Right.
choose tools which are easy for me. I presume that if I
Yes.
were not a computer science teacher, what would have happened? So in layman
Yeah, true.
words or this one, we have to
Yeah.
make it simple. And if I have to teach this one
Yes.
for my children for all classes, maybe high school students will be able to get it very easily. But for lower class, if we want to make them independent in doing their own portfolios, I thought that this is one of the easiest ones. So I had chosen this one, and keeping all the aspects in mind for all subject teachers. So I created my own digital books to show you what kind of creativity you can go ahead with.
Ma'am, thank you so much for the wonderful session. Please repeat the step, how I can convert the book into the PDF.
Okay, ma'am. I'm going to share. Mala, ma'am, can I share my screen now? Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, one more doubt, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, nice section, ma'am. First of all, thank you.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. When we are sharing the book creator video, what we have created, it will be in the PDF form, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. When you share it as a link, it is going to be in the ebook only, Flipbook. It is going to be shown in the Flipbook. But you open in Calibre. If you open in Calibre, it is going to be shown in the form of PDF. That is how it is going to work.
Every person can view that.
Yes, ma'am. Every person can view that. Every person can view that. And that Calibre.
And it depends also, Smita, sorry, does it depend upon also in what format you're saving it up also?
Because no, ma'am, as I understood, when we downloaded the file, it comes with the extension of EPUB. That file can be opened in any book reader only. That is what I have done my research about it. So more information, if anybody else has got, can share it with me.
Right.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Alia, ma'am, you have something to share?
Now the voice is very low, ma'am. Why?
Okay. Maybe my microphone has gone down. Is it okay now?
Okay. Yeah, it now also the very low.
Voice is okay. No,
now
it's okay.
Okay, na? Maybe from
your
your
side
side.
is very low. I don't know why. I don't. Maybe once I ask my doubt, then I unmute your mic. Then it is very low for me. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Please kindly use it, and kindly share your feedback in the feedback form. Collect your certificates, and any other information you have, you can send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay, I'll be there. I'll be happy to help you all. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly repeat the step for PDF.
PDF, na? Okay, so let me show you this one. What I have to do is, let me show it to you. So if you go to this particular area, my books. Now at the bottom, you can see these 3 dots. Click on this one. Then you click on share. Sorry, if you click on share, yes, download as ebook. So you can click on this download as ebook. So when it comes as ebook, you have to open a ebook reader. So I have downloaded in my machine Calibre. If you open that and import your book, you're going to get the book in the PDF format. I'll show you that example also. Let me just minimize this. This is the Calibre.
If we are importing the book in Calibre, then it will be imported in the PDF form.
PDF format.
Achha, okay. That I got. Okay. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am. Bye-bye. I hope the feedback form is working for all of you.
Yes. I have filled it also. Thank you so much.
You will get your certificate.
So are you a computer science teacher, ma'am? Smita,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm a computer science teacher.
The same here.
Yes. Nice to meet you. From which school, ma'am?
I'm from GHPS, ma'am. Guru Harkishan Public School.
Okay. Which place?
Hemkund Colony.
Okay. Delhi?
It's near Nehru Place. Yes, ma'am.
Delhi, na? Okay. I stay in Rourkela, Odisha. Steel City.
Fine.
Steel City place.
Oh,
yes.
All right.
Public sector steel.
Mala ma'am, I was a student of GHPS.
Oh, great. Who is that? I can't see you.
Harpreet. This is Harpreet. I was in Shadra branch.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
I'm here
Nice,
from
nice.
Vasant Vihar branch.
Okay, I
Okay,
see.
so many teachers from Delhi, actually
So
from
many
eastern
teachers from
part, I
GSPS
think
itself.
very few teachers
I
are
Such
there.
a
stay in
wonderful
Vasant
session, Smita ma'am.
Kya, ma'am?
Wonderful session. Wonderful session.
Thank you,
We have
thank you,
learned
thank
a
you.
lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Because CBSE is giving us new.
do you have a do you have any YouTube channel also for your CS
Yes,
classes or
ma'am. Yes,
something?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have my YouTube channel where I post some videos related to my subject. I'm presently teaching artificial intelligence. So I'm making videos of class 8, 9. 9, I'm about to finish. Then I start with 10, then 11 and 12. So like that, I'm going to go. That is my journey.
What is the name of the channel, ma'am? Can I have a look of your channel?
It is Smita R. Athreya. Same name. Same name.
All right, ma'am. All right.
You can Google
Thank you so much.
welcome,
Wonderful
ma'am.
session.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
We have
Smita
many
ma'am.
teams. Welcome. Follow me, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
And yes, yet another great session. I have already made one of the books.
Okay, you want to share? You want to share? Shall I share the, I mean, allow you?
Yeah, but I have not done it in computer. I have done it in my iPad.
Okay.
So
You can send
I
it
will
to
share it with you.
WhatsApp.
Yeah. Sure, I will be doing it. It's a very good thing. Actually, I can let my children now make their digitalized portfolios.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
It will be a great help, you know. I
Yes,
have done means whatever I have done in my class, that only I have inserted here in the book reader and created a book for me to see at first so that I can teach my students.
That's what
Thanks,
I told you.
Smita, ma'am.
Welcome. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, follow me, ma'am. Follow me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you are a gig leader of some place, Bihar or something?
No.
Follow me, ma'am. Belongs
I am
Bangalore.
in GEG.
She is in Bangalore.
I am in GEG, but I am not a leader.
Okay, fine. Okay, ma'am. Thanks.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, tell me.
I'm Ramya here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, some students, while I am collaborating this book creator,
yeah,
I will collaborate with them. That time, some of them are not able to do in mobile. Is there any other options to do in mobile, ma'am?
Mobile, I don't think so, ma'am. Most of these applications are working very comfortably in laptops or desktops. Most of the things are not working with mobile. So try to encourage your children to do in laptop, do their portfolios in laptop only and keep it instead of using mobile. That is my advice.
Actually, files are also so heavy. It's always preferable laptop. You can move with ease also.
Yes, that is true. Thank you, Shamla, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think the Google form everybody has access to get your certificates.
Yeah, Smita, it's all done. That's why I pasted. You were busy.
I'm not able to see the chat actually. Now I'm seeing.
Yes, don't worry. We are there.
Okay.
Yeah, we have received the certificates also, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Paula. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
And you're very right. I can also understand that if we are doing all this book creating thing through mobile, there are restrictions. So it's better if we do it with laptop because it is my first-hand experience right now. What I was doing.
Yes,
so it's better we use the laptop rather than using any other thing.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And I will be.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Good night,
so,
Smita.
Good night, ma'am. Good night. So I'm going to end the meeting. Any more queries?
Yes, Smita ma'am. Yes, I have one query.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have given a project on Tinker. Tinkercad. I hope you are aware of it.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I want to take the links, because वहाँ पे तो बच्चों ने अपने videos, अपना models 3D still form में बना दिया. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं उसको save करके रख सकूँ.
अच्छा.
So is there any option that I can save it?
From there you want to bring it over here, you're telling?
Yes, I have seen a Excel sheet where you are putting the
links
in front of their names of the child.
Yeah.
In that way, can I do it the same?
From Tinker, you want to put it, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Tinker, I don't know whether the link is getting generated for each student or not. I do not know, ma'am. I have to search that and I have to tell you because personally I have not done. So I cannot assure you about it.
As you are computer, so I think we can create the link of whatever we want, I guess.
Yes, I think so. Let me try. Yeah. Before I try, I can you. I cannot give a suggestion or I give assurance also. Let me
So
try
I'll
and
ping
then.
you on your personal window. Kindly
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Give me some time. I'll search
Thank you so much,
you know.
ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm going to
Thank
end
you.
the meeting now. Can I?
Okay.
All the teachers, have you
Yes.
taken your
Yes.
certificates? The meeting is going to end in another 2 minutes. Let me just wait if anybody is having any doubt or something. Otherwise, I'll wind up because I saw 1 or 2 teachers joining now. Phone number, whose phone number are you asking, ma'am? Palan, S. Palan. Can you tell me whose number are you asking? I'm not getting any reply. Okay, in that case, I'm going to end the meeting, teachers. Thank you all for your patient hearing. I'm going to upload this video in the YouTube for your future references. And if you have any, actually you just mentioned, okay, my number you're telling, my number is there in that WhatsApp group, the group which I created. I can share my number over here. It is 9938298595. Okay, I've shared the link. After creating the book also, they can do the editing. It is possible. Even after publishing, you can edit it and again republish it once again with the new changes. Okay, ma'am? Okay, I think Sheetal ma'am had that doubt. I think I have cleared it. Okay, thank you, teachers. Bye-bye and good night.